I stumbled across a forgotten treasure in the middle of an empty field. A 1976 GMC Sierra, one of America's most beloved classic trucks, abandoned for over 40 years. And trust me, it's in rough shape. We're talking rust down to the frame, panels rotted clean through. No power steering, no brakes, no AC. And the engine? Frozen solid, cracked, completely dead. So what the hell am I supposed to do with this pile of scrap? Today, I'm here to do the unthinkable. Bring this Sierra back from the grave and turn it into a full-blown street muscle beast. But before we dive into the big rebuild, I need to take a look at its old heart, the engine. Somewhere inside that dust-covered block of metal, I believe there's still a spark worth saving. Let's drag it back to the shop, tear it down, inspect every inch, and see if we've got something worth bringing back to life. The resurrection starts now. Are you ready? This project has turned out way bigger than I ever imagined. And trust me, the best is still yet to come. I'd love to hear what you think. Got any wild ideas or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. If you're enjoying this series, don't forget to like, share, and follow so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.